What if I told you your brain is being hacked every single day? And the scary part is, you might not even realize it. From scrolling social media to binge watching to craving sugar or even checking your phone every few minutes, this isn't just habit. It's addiction, and it's rooted deep inside your brain. We're going to break down exactly how your brain gets addicted using simple science you can actually understand. Your brain's reward system. Your brain is built to keep you alive. To do that, it uses something called the reward system. Whenever you do something good for survival, like eating food, achieving something, or connecting with others, your brain releases a chemical called dopamine. Dopamine is often called the feel-good chemical, but it's actually more about motivation and reward. It tells your brain, that felt good, do it again. And that's where addiction begins. The dopamine loop. Here's the dangerous part. Some activities give your brain too much dopamine, way more than natural rewards. Examples include social media notifications, junk food, video games, gambling, even constant entertainment. When this happens, your brain creates a dopamine loop. You do something pleasurable, dopamine spikes, your brain remembers it, you crave it again. The more you repeat this loop, the stronger it becomes. Eventually, it turns into an automatic behavior. Loss of control. At this stage, your brain starts to change physically. The part responsible for decision-making, your prefrontal cortex, becomes weaker, and the reward system becomes stronger. So even if you know something is bad for you, you still do it. That's why addiction feels like, I don't want to do this, but I can't stop. Because it's no longer just a choice, it's a rewired brain. Modern-day addiction. Here's the truth most people don't talk about. You don't need drugs to be addicted. Modern life is full of dopamine traps. Apps, platforms, and content are designed to keep you hooked. Every notification, every scroll, every like is triggering that same reward system. And slowly, it trains your brain to crave constant stimulation, which is why you can't focus, you feel restless, you get bored easily. How to break the cycle. The good news is, your brain can change. Here's how you start. Reduce overstimulation. Take breaks from constant dopamine hits, like social media, junk food, etc. Build healthy rewards. Exercise, learning, and real-life goals create sustainable dopamine. Delay gratification. Train your brain to wait. This rebuilds control. Be consistent. Rewiring your brain takes repetition. Remember, addiction was learned, so it can be unlearned. Your brain isn't broken, it's just doing exactly what it was designed to do. But in today's world, that design is being exploited. The moment you understand how your brain gets addicted is the moment you take your power back. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because understanding your brain is the first step to mastering your life.